Hello, my people. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new here, welcome back to my channel, marketing subscriber. So today's video, I was just trying something new. I had this wig. It had to come off. It was looking busted. The edges were lifting. Everything. It was hurting. It just had to get washed, come off, new install. So I decided to try a little new color, be a little bit bold, and make sure you watch to the end for the final results. Alright guys, I put some lip gloss on and, you know, some earrings. I don't like it. No. It looks like disgust from inside out. Like, they should definitely cast me for the live action version at this point because... But it was a good try, you know? You win some, you lose some. So, that's what we have for today. This was an epic fail. So... This is coming at my head like ASAP. I'm about to just, like, you know, rip it off. The thing is, like, I like the color though, but I guess I don't like the way it looks on me. It's just kind of like mesmerizing. I don't know. Well, that's what we have for today, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, even though it was still a fail. It was a cool experience, you know. We tried something new, so I give us an 8 for effort. You guys already know the deal. Like, comment, sub, share to 5 people. And I'll be back with another video soon. Hopefully one that's not a fail. Alright. Bye, my lovelies. I loves you.